how did you come to know about the issue?
Pero grabe, no? Sobrang nag-viral siya.
Ang bilis kasi ang dami nag-comment na parang tulog pa yata si Maris tapos magising niya, surprise.
Sobrang to be honest, nakawa ko dun sa nangyari na yun, na parang tulog ka, tapos magising mo, ang laki ng issue nangyayari.
Oo, laking problema. Ang tao, wow, perfect ka? Hindi ka nagkakamali? Yes, hindi umabot sa ganun. Especially public figure, and ang dami nang na-cancel na similar yung issue.
Yes.
Like si Andrea Brillantes, na wala kang screenshot na lumabas, na-cancel siya ng gusto, di ba?
Yeah. Habang ginagawa kasi nila yon, they all, parang, familiar sila na pwede silang ma-cancel, they can be affected, career nila pa rin ma-affected. Hence, yung i-delete mo yung screenshot.
Alam mo yun? So, alam naman natin na you reap what you sow. Tama ba na sobrang pag-initan siya ng mga tao?
Unfortunately, it happened. So, ang gagawa.
Pag tinanong ko naman na kung masama or okay lang, definitely masama yun. Pero naiintindihan ko rin siya. Kasi hindi mo makakontrol din yung emotions minsan. Especially magkasama sila parate.
Actually, that's very wrong na sasabihin mo na hindi nakokontrol yung emotions. Kasi kung ganun, di lahat na ng tao nag-cheat na. For me, ang sincere na apology is wala nang explanation. Sabihin mo talagang nagkamali ako.
Yung kay Anthony.
Yes.
Kasi sinabi iba.
22 seconds na ata yung sinabi niya. Which is totoo naman yun. That's like how you apologize. May nagkamali po ako, may
Yes.
nasaktan ako.
Accountable siya.
Sorry po talaga. And that's it. That's all you can say.
And going forward, what will you do?
If ever you're in that situation, what would you have done? Like, for example, nangyari na sa'yo yun.
Kasi I'm older, right? I'm older than Maris. I would value my career. Kasi alam ko naman kung gaano, ito nga, hindi naman ako artista, pero I value my career.
Yeah.
You protect your identity, you protect your career, hindi mo papaabutin sa ganun, sa na may mangyayaring ganun. Another thing, dun sa screenshots niya, may talk about drugs.
Yun pa. Ito yung isa pa dun sa parang napaka-careless nila. Considering that they're public figure, ang dami-daming people idolize them, like, kids idolize them. Tapos, may makikitang ganyan. It wasn't even addressed dun sa apology niya.
Anong gagawin ba ng law enforcement dyan? Would they look into it? I also don't want naman na parang maging witch hunt. Na porket may mention of like that, is gagawin siyang example.
It doesn't necessarily mean na drugs na yung smoke, di ba? Could be OC. Could be vape.
The stupid defense na lang na parang, hindi yan drugs. But we all know that's drugs.
But nobody says, oh tara, yosi tayo, tas sex tayo. Walang nagsasabi nun.
Meron.
What do you think of what Jam did? Like, exposing the whole thing publicly? Wanted to know, like,
Kung ano talaga ang purpose niya,
kung mag-root cause analysis ako, like, as to what she did, I'd say na parang she wants to get back and at the same time, play the victim na parang, hey, parang nasaktan ako ng dalawa and I'm just posting this for my own peace. Pero the reality is, what she wanted to happen is parang for Maurice to take the fall, actually for both of them to take the fall, na parang you can't enjoy while I suffer.
Gusto lang niyang mag-punish because she was also suffering.
Yeah, and I understand why. At saka it's impossible na hindi niya alam, di ba? Yung kay Maurice.
Hindi ko alam kung blindly in love lang siya dun sa guy. Halata naman na nag-cheat na yung guy. Hindi pa rin siya nakikipag-away. Nakikita mo yung mga sagot niya maayos pa rin, no?
or alam niya,
For the future, gagamitin niya yung
diba?
screenshot. Kaya nga, sabi ko, hindi ko alam kung sobrang mabait lang ba talaga siya. Or may plano siya talaga.
Christian Gaza, nag-release siya ng screenshot din ng friend niya na sinasabi na friend daw si Anthony. Nagawa pala ni Anthony was sharing yung intimate conversation nila ni Maurice.
Conversation lang ba?
And siguro photo.
Kasi parang binabrag niya na nakascore siya ng celebrity.
Oo.
I don't wanna sound like I'm blaming Maris. You did that. So, dapat inisip mo nila, worst case scenario, anong pwedeng mangyari?
Na talagang you're enjoying yourself na ganon. Not knowing yung consequence na
Yeah.
lalabas.
Pero just to point out din nga, you're the captain of your ship. Technically, alam mo dapat yung consequences ng everything you do.
Bahala ka kung anong gusto mong gawin. Basta, yung consequence, tanggapin mo whatever it is. Kasi ikaw
Yeah.
yung gawa nun.
Statement niya, I hate yung blame game. Nung pinapanood ko, hindi ko nga siya sobrang tinapos lahat. Kasi nga, ang niisip ko, parang nagpo-point fingers na siya. Can't you just admit na parang, I did this, I did that. Tama naman, no one is perfect.
Nobody is perfect. That's right. Yeah, I hope this will be a lesson to her. What I can say about the apology that she released, it was very robotic. It really
Scripted.
looked super scripted.